Yo. Fuck. Bowser. Finally, someone said what's up. What's everybody else doing? Marco. Okay, we got some friends hanging out. 22 people watching. 2 people saying hello. Say what's up. Dude, me too, man. You know what happened? So I have on the couch, you have the pillows on the top. You can actually put your phone on the top of it because it's kind of a flat surface. And I went to fucking grab it when it was going off, and I grabbed it and turned it off when my alarm went off, and I fucking dropped the shit, and it fell behind the couch, and I was like, ugh, and I fucking closed my eyes again. That was at the first time the alarm went off was at 12:41, and then it went off again at 12:57, and then that happened, and then my eyes opened again, and it was fucking 2:20. I was like, fuck. And I didn't miss much, but I did miss whatever move there was, right? I think we were hanging out. I posted in the Discord. I was like, "Yo, look at this bounce off the fucking 707. Look at that bounce." I said that on this candle. So I missed from there. I missed 115 to 183. So 65 points. It moved 1, 2, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2 hours, it moved 65 points, and now it's kind of working its way back down. And look where it rejected. Look where it fucking rejected. Man, can't make this shit up. Hold on, let me fucking get rid of this one. Let's get rid of this one. Because you can't even see it because there's so much shit on my fucking chart. Oh, what the fuck? How many Fibonacci's do I have on here? All right. You see this right here? You see this green fucking line? That's the top orb. That's where we rejected. We bounced off the 707 and we went right to the top orb. The top orb, the opening range fucking breakout of this overnight session when the market reopened. The top orb is at 183.50, is at like 183.50, 184, and that's where we went. The bottom orb is somewhere, we're actually at the bottom orb right now. 153, 20, 153, 152. We're approaching it if we're not quite there yet, but there it is. It's right fucking there. Let me get rid of this line. I don't even remember when I drew this, probably last week. All right, there we go. Now we can see a little bit more. You see that shit? Let's make this a little fucking bigger. We kind of already hit it, and now we bounce. I don't know. We just tipped the bottom orb, but look, we fucking ran. If you want to call this running, we dumped, we bounced here, which was an interesting spot for a bounce because it's right at this wick, the bottom of this wick, you know. And then now we're basically about to hit the bottom orb. There it is, which is right below, right above the VWAP. So that's what's happening. I'm going to grab one here just in case. Just in case we bounce right off the top, bottom orb. And I'll have one down here. This is a funded, not a fund. This is just an eval. This is a 100K eval. I had it up about $500 so far. I actually traded gold. I traded gold earlier. What up, TJP? We got Coach Bowser, Coach Marco, Coach TJP, Coach Keith, Coach Angel, Coach Mikey, Coach Pine Tree, Coach HR. Thank you, HR. I appreciate it. Coach Alpha Trader, Coach DB Nail. We got all the coaches in the house. And a bunch of other coaches who haven't said what's up that are just hanging, watching, breathing, relaxing. Maybe it's fader haters hoping I lose so they can say, "Oh, I faded you. I got you. I faded you. I got you." Well, hopefully it's just some super chill people that just they're not very chatty, but they like to hang out. I mean, this is just an eval. So that's what I did. That's all I traded tonight. That obviously before I passed out, I got these two take profit trader accounts up $500 each. These are my 150Ks. I did not trade any of my Apex fucking PAs. I traded nothing in Apex. I have 8 funded accounts with Apex. I actually reset my Top Step account, courtesy of J Money, and I got that up $211. That was all earlier. Not when the market reopened, but just earlier. Probably around the Asian whenever the Asian session opened. Let me see. I was still under review. Let me fucking log in. Hold on a second. Coach Astro Boy Ken. I'm checking right now, Alpha. I'm gonna check for you right now, my friend. Max payout is still 2,000. You just have to grow it, beyond the safety net, Coach Astro Boy Ken in the building. Yeah, so let me log in real quick. I'll go to the PA charts page. So I'll go to a page somewhere on the whatchamacallit. I think I need to get a Streamlabs account or one of those other platforms, the ones that all the cool people use when they stream. Because people, make fun of me for not being not make fun of me, but like I'm not even in 1080p because fucking Restream doesn't offer it. I'm pretty sure this old 2015 MacBook Pro could fucking handle it. I'm pretty sure this resolution, it's the Retina. I think that's what they call it. I'm pretty sure it could handle 1080p, but I'm paying $20 a month and I'm still only getting 720p. And I refuse to fucking pay $50 a month just to get fucking 1080p with Restream. So I'm probably going to get a Streamlabs account because for $20 a month, I could get, for $20 a month, I could get fucking 1080p. So you guys might actually be able to see my charts without having to fucking squint or put your glasses on. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Screen sharing is back on. I'm on my PA charts page. Let's go to the request payout page. Let's see if we're still under review or there's some sort of decision made. What up, Coach Dan? JJ. Coach JJ's here. Coach JW Trading. Coach Marcin. What up? The 2015s? What up, Coach Jimmy Kaffa? Well, I actually found an M1 with 32 gigs, 16-inch M1 with 32 gigs and only 50 charge cycles. Dan, I don't care about the storage, but it does have like 2 terabytes of storage, which I'm not really too concerned with. I don't care about that shit. Um, but he's asking 1,800 for it. I'm not so sure I want to fucking you know I might offer him like 1,400. I'll pay 1,400 for it. I ain't paying 1,800. I might offer him 1,200. Like, yo, fucking 1,200, son. I don't think he's gonna. He's not. He doesn't. He doesn't see. He doesn't strike me as the type that needs the money. But it's hard. There's not that many out here. There's a lot of like 14-inch ones out here, or there's a lot of 16-inch MacBook Pro M1s and M2s out here. Mostly M1s on the marketplace. Um, but they're fucking what was the issue? Oh, they're only 16 gigs of RAM, and that's what these have. I know the 16 gigs of RAM on an M1 is a lot different than the 16 gigs of RAM on the MacBook Pros that I'm working on, but I want 32 gigs minimum because that'll be like 64 on one of these fucking things because it's using all of it. All right, let's go to the request payout page. Let's see where we're at. Still under review, which is nothing new to me. This one took 6 days. This one took 8 days. These couple were approved in less than 20. Were about 24 hours, but whatever. It is what it is. All right, I'm still in this fucking trade here. Oh no, I'm down 35 bucks. No, no. I haven't traded any account that well, aside from my take profit trader accounts, because they're all important to me, even though they're not funded yet. Um, I haven't traded anything that really matters. I have these 2 funded accounts with my funded futures. Um, that I fucking was on day 5 on Friday. I had it in the fucking bag. I could have got payouts from both of these. I could have already had the money, right? Because my fund of futures approves payout requests almost instantly and pays fast as fuck. I could have already had the money in the bank. Um, and I might have at that point I may have reinvested in a milestone plan, probably like a 25K milestone plan. Um, because I would have basically depleted these two and not been able to fucking grow them back, which would leave me with nothing in terms of funded accounts. But I found a way to fuck it up, hit the daily loss limit Friday, and now on Monday and Tuesday, I got them back up, each over like 400 bucks, 450, 400, 400, 420 bucks. I don't remember what the fucking number is. It was like one day was 185, and then the next day was like 235 or some shit like that. So now they're both back over 50K, which is good, but I still got work to do. Oh, uh-oh. So we are below the bottom. Oh, wow, we're way below the bottom one. At least it looks like that. What up, Coach Calvin? Coach Alex A. Yeah. Coach GMAT. I'm back on calling everybody coach because I was watching the Top Step. I was watching Top Step TV a little while I was in bed. You know, I had one hand on my phone and the other hand down my pants, and I was watching Top Step TV. Just kidding. But I was just hanging out. Like I was just waking up from getting 3 hours of sleep after streaming the night before, and they all do call each other. Everybody does call each other coach. It's not just Coach J. I thought they were. I thought they were calling each other coach, and then I was like, oh well, Coach J is the only actual coach because he's a coach, like he coaches sports. So I thought maybe him and maybe one or two other people were called coach, but they literally call each other coach. They call everybody fucking coach, and they lose every day, just about every day. They lose. If I had to do, if I had to, in their live accounts, well, in the live account, the in-house live account, like literally loses fucking every day. And they're giving people expert advice on trading. So we're all fucking coaches too. You get a coach before your name. You get a coach before your name. You get a coach before your name. What's going on here? Oh shit. Too bad I didn't get fucking filled over here at the VWAP. Coach Tactical, Coach Franny. Yo, what up, Tactical? What's going on? Coach DBT. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. You do the same. I wish you the best as well. Thanks for popping in, man. Tell your boss, man. Listen, I'm hanging out with the DCA gang. Just let me listen. Oh shit. There we go. There we go. It was a keep going. Come on, keep going. Please. I wish I was in more. I wish I had more hands. Yes. Oh, we got a new hour. I'll take that. Whatever. Whatevs. Friend you, what up? What up? Coach Friend you, Coach Curtis. No, there's no incentive for them to win. They need people to copy them into trades. They need more. They need new people to show up though, because at some point people are going to smarten up and stop copying them in their shit trades. I also know that like they don't. They also let like their special guest decide the fate of that account a lot of times. You know, they'll have like a special guest who's like a top step trader. You know, like someone that's just a customer that they'll bring on. So it's not always just them, but man, it's awful. And then people follow them into trades, blow their accounts. That's why they don't need affiliates anymore. They got rid of affiliates. They rug pulled affiliates who built their entire fucking business, you know, by way of influencing and marketing and, you know, affiliate marketing, right? And then right around the same time, they decided to be basically streaming 24/7. And it sells a lot of combines because people will fucking, you know, trust them as the experts and they lose all the time on that account. And then people fucking, hopefully they're smartening up and be like, all right, maybe I should only follow Dakota. Maybe I should only follow fucking Rips, you know, whatever. But that's how they sell accounts. And you know me, Curtis, you know, I love me a good conspiracy theory because, you know, we could call them theories all we want, but it's really, well, so many conspiracy theories have been proven as fact. They just throw that term around to make people like us it's just to fucking make people who question shit. Uh, that term was created by the fucking CIA or the FBI um, to discredit people who ask questions. The rug pull gang, yo, Coach Varma wants to hear the fucking rug pull gang. That shit never gets old. I gotta find it. It's buried in my fucking phone. Let's see here. I guess I got out at a decent spot. It rejected right off the 5 minute 21. Is this the top orb? It might be the top. No, it's not the top orb. What's the top orb at? 80. It was 80 something, right? The top orb is here at 84, basically. No, we rejected, but there it is. There's the bottom orb. We wicked below it, almost hit the VWAP, and then bounced off of it so far. But we got a ways to go. I don't know what I want to do here. It looks like it wants to come back down. It might bounce here. Shit. Fuck it. Let's make some bad decisions. No, no, maybe. Ugh, I wish I could have moved that down. I wanted to move it lower so get a better entry, but it is what it is. I'll add here. I don't know why I should be fucking trading these two funded accounts, but I'm not really, you know, feeling this price action. So you're watching The Godfather 2? Yo, thank you, Franny. I wouldn't. I mean, I appreciate the kind words about this being the number one futures trading stream. But I do know my coupon codes are the best. My coupon code is the best coupon code in the fucking world. It's the GOAT. If LeBron can call himself the GOAT, I can call my coupon codes the GOAT. Well, see, I didn't get a great entry. I wanted to drag that fucking entry down, but it was too late. It was already fucking filling it. You know, the issue we have also is the spread is fucking brutal. It's like 2 to 4 ticks. 2 to 4 ticks. I will never rub and tug your payouts again. Coach GA. And all coaches, have a good day. It's a dream of mine. It's a dream of mine for everybody that like does hang out on my streams and in the Discord, in the DCA gang Discord where the DGen fam hangs out. It's a dream of mine for all of us to, for everyone to change their names on their YouTube accounts to have it say coach before, and then everybody goes and hangs out on the Top Step TV fucking stream, and everybody's commenting, not fucking with anybody, not fucking, being douchebags in the chat, being cool in the chat, but it says coach before their name while they're interacting on that fucking stream. It'd be fucking amazing. Coach Mikey, you sent me 1.5 Bitcoin. You got to send it to my Bank of Nigeria account. I have a Bank of Nigeria Bitcoin crypto wallet. That's what you got to send it to. The Nigerian prince needs to get his cut. It would be amazing. It would be fucking amazing. Uh-oh, I'm in two now. Uh-oh. Now I'm in big trouble. Uh-oh. Oh, new fucking hour. That's why this is happening. New hour. This thing gonna dump all the way to the VWAP. I would actually love for that to happen and then, get a bounce. Oh, I gotta find that audio. Coach Sammy Roger, Coach HID. Yo, HID, bro. Fucking slept. I passed the fuck out. All right, let's see. Coach Calvin. Oh, it's somewhere in your YouTube settings. Hold on a sec. I can't. I'm not logged into my any of my Gmail accounts. Um, on on my trading Mac. Damn, it almost came back. New hour incoming. Beware. That's why this fucking shit's kind of moving around like this. Although, man, I should have fucking seen the writing on the wall. We didn't even touch it, but we just tipped barely, just almost touched the 5 minute 21, and we're down only 10 points. It just looks like it's a lot more than it really is. It's just I'm zoomed in on the chart. Let's see. Just, just I got people. I'm in. I got some homies. We got this group chat called Crypto and Options Degenerates, and a lot of the guys in that group are fucking on the fucking East Coast, and they're like just waking up, and I'm still up from being on the West Coast. let's find this fucking audio. Hold on. Hold up. Oh shit, I'm fucking green again. Thank you, new hour. Where's this audio at? It's buried in my fucking. I gotta send this to myself again so it's like fresher in the fucking thing. There it is. You guys ready for some fucking gold right here? Ready for this gold?
I don't know, but here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again. We will never put the
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, never again. And then a week later, does it again. And then has a conference call with his employees that he's fucking laying off. Basically, the exit call saying, yeah, this is how much money we have. And it was a fuck ton of money. It was enough to pay a bunch of people and keep the fucking shit moving. But I think what happened was because of what was going on, he wasn't lying. Yeah. You know, what happened also is all the fucking services that they were using to give, so they could actually provide the service to, to the fucking people that they rug pulled were fucking turning on them. Quant Tower, because he could have paid people. Instead, he was sending money to himself through through fucking Rise. Him and sending it to his wife, sending it to his fucking, to the co-founders. Oh shit, to the co-founders, making it look like he was paying people, and they were paying fucking nobody. Payout junction, because you don't know where the money's going. You just see the fucking payout numbers. My word is nothing. Yeah. Coach passing props. Coach Eric K. Just a tip pattern forming. Yeah, yeah. There you go. You guys figured it out. Yeah, it's in the fucking. It's in like your name, like your settings, like on the name. Like you could just change your name. Yeah, he sent it to Sage. Maybe that's how they met, which is fine. If that's where you met, that's where you met. This is an odd looking Head and Shoulders forming potentially, but I don't think that's a Head and Shoulders. I should have taken my fucking $65 and called it a day. I'm just like not even. I don't even like I care about this account because I thought I canceled the subscription and I didn't. Yeah, whatever. You know, it's fine. It's just funny. The whole situation is just a big fucking joke. Jokes on everybody that they fucked over though, really. You know? Now the fucking groupies can't come in here and fucking say, you know, that they can't tell me how wrong I am about fast track and that Scott's a forward thinker. They can't say that shit anymore. Can't say fast track forever. like fast track was Wu Tang. Only Wu Tang is forever. Fast track was for 4 months or 6 months. That's all they fucking lasted. Wow. Now we're gonna hit. Now we're gonna hit the VWAP. Can we fucking at least film me at the VWAP? Damn. Coach Trader Zeech. Yeah. Tradeovate was like I gave back all my gains on that. That sucks. Oh well. I was feeling proud of myself. It was the gold trade is what got me all my gains, and then I got a little bit more right here. It was the gold trade that got me all the gains in this account. Now I don't have any gains. Gave it all back. I guess we're going down for a little while. Downtown. We're below the VWAP. I mean, this is whatever. I'll fucking add. I don't fucking care. Let's add here. We might bounce. We might not. $735, 800. I'm glad I'm not trading anything that matters. I'm still waking up trying to get a fucking gauge of what the fuck this market wants to do. VIX is pumping right now. Coach HID, man. I wish I was wrong. Because me being right means a bunch of people got fucked. Like thousands of people got fucked. And like it's weird because like they got fucked out of their payouts because they earned them. But like at least they didn't give them. Well, they did. I mean, some people fucking were in that shit for thousands and thousands, sending their Lifetron savings. They worked so hard building up their Tron accounts, and they gave it all to that fucking clown. You know, it sucks. I wish the whole time I was fucking voicing my concerns, especially when people would come in here and fucking run their fucking mouths about, they would attack me personally because I wouldn't fucking kiss the ring. That's the shit that pissed me off. They were attacking my character because I wouldn't fucking bend the knee. I said I hope they're around for a couple of years. I hope they're around because if they're not around, that just means everybody got fucked. Uh-oh, I hear a dog. Another dog. Penelope's wants to come in here with me. We got Harvey down here already. There's Harvey, living his best fucking life. There she is. Oh, this big trouble now. Where are we going though? Let's see. Where are we? Fuck it. Let's fucking add one more. I don't know. This is just gonna keep going down though. Yuck. I haven't made an awful trade like this since fucking Friday, especially on a stream. My win rate on the streams since the Fader haters lit a fire under my ass, motivated the shit out of me to get out of my rut. My win rate's been like 90, like way over 90%, 90+% easily. But you can't win them all. At least I'm not trading a fucking. At least this is just an eval. Like, yeah, it sucks, but it ain't a funded account. I don't know where we're going though. How far down are we going? I do feel like this is an area of support, like this level right here. But the fucking bottom orb did not hold up at all. It did for a little bit until it didn't. New hour came in and fucked everything up. You know why it is? It's a new 4-hour candle too. Yeah, the 4-hour candle. Look at the last 4-hour candle. Look at this fucking wick. It could go up though. This could turn around and go back up, but I don't know. I don't know. It just looks like shit. We could be filling the fucking presidential pump gap. Look at the fucking Trump getting elected. Look at this fucking pump. I gotta fucking compress the screen. This was basically, here it is. Here's election day. Well, this is the day before election day. Here's election day right here. 20,100. He fucking came all the way up and just kept making new all-time highs. All-time high, all-time high. Well, right around here. He came from 20,100 to 21,341. That's like fucking, more than 5%. Could you imagine we come all the way back down? I can see us coming back down here. Right here. 20,787. That's not that far away, if you think about it. Coach, mixed sounds. JJ, great point, dude. If they stayed around, it would have put more pressure on other firms to relax the rules. It put pressure on other firms to fucking introduce to roll out fucking straight to funded options. You know, it definitely did that. Everybody and their mother started coming out with straight to funded you know, they added it as an option to their plans, and then a bunch of prop firms kept propping up that was straight to funded. We'll see how long any of them stick around. Mikey, baby oil's at a premium because of Diddy. Yeah, I wonder if is this it? I mean, are we just gonna keep dumping? We can't. Are we not gonna be able to get back over the VWAP? We'll see. Yeah, JJ, good point about the election. Imagine winning all that shit. Imagine going from being the insurrectionist, and the convicted felon to now fucking sweeping the fucking election. Shit is too funny. All of that shit, all of that shit was for nothing. It went against them. It did not work in their favor. It's all a show. It's all a show. It's better than the WWE. Yeah, CPI. If CPI is bad, then we're gonna basically make our way close back down to, start working our way back down. We got a bunch of F's. You got fucking Jerome Powell speaking. He's speaking this week. There's CPI. I think there's what else? There's a bunch of shit for the rest of the week. Let me go to Forex Factory. My funded futures. This is the emoji of. They're good trolls, man. Oh my god. Forex Factory. So we got today. We have CPI in the morning. Not too long from now. Basically in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Got a bunch of FOMC liars fucking speaking. We got Coach Scott cash carry. That's what Scott did. He carried everyone's cash and fucking bounced. You got Logan Musalem, whatever the fuck his name is. Schmid. Wow, it's not Schmidt. Poor guy. They left off the T. And then we got what really gives a shit about? No offense to anyone in Australia. Is that Australia? I think that is. Or is that New Zealand? No, that's Australia. I guess. I don't know. All right. Core PPI on Thursday. Unemployment claims. You got Jerome Powell. He's going to be crying on the podium about Trump winning. Like, I don't know. I guess they're going to have to lower rates a lot now. There will no longer be transitory inflation, guys. You got Governor Bailey, Bank of England Governor Bailey, an hour later. That should be interesting. Are they going to be at a conference together somewhere? And then on Friday, we got the great UK's fucking GDP. And then I don't know if this really does anything with the markets. Retail sales, core retail sales, month over month. It is a red folder event, but I just don't see it. I don't know how much that's going to move the needle. Let's refresh. Motherfucker. Anyway. What up? What up, Coach FOMO? Yeah. Yeah, it kind of yeah. The hardship is in the straight to funded accounts. Now the hardship is in those accounts. I don't know. I get it. People don't want to be bothered. Some people don't want. They want to skip all that. They want the instant gratification. Now that I'm not always slamming evals, it's helped me get better because it's good to practice on those evals. So when you do get funded, you're not practicing on the funded account. What up, Coach Alfred? What was my trading psychology like when I started? I had no psychology. It was just with the future shit. I had to learn how to trade futures. I mean, futures is a whole fucking other animal. Oh, look at this shit came all the way back for you, boy. Damn. Can we get over this fucking area here? Is this going to be resistance now? You got the 34s here. Hopefully the 34s don't do what they usually do, which is, act as resistance when we're going up. Oh, trade anxiety. You know what would happen to me in the beginning when I finally started like passing accounts and like working funded accounts or trying to work funded accounts? I would fucking forget about even funded accounts, just on evals. Like I would have evals up, good, and then I would blow them, right? And like they would be close, and like my head, I got so fucking stressed out from it. Like I got so fucking annoyed. Like tilt was my, you guys have seen me tilt before, but like it was bad, and like my head, I literally thought I was gonna have a fucking aneurysm. Like my head felt like it was gonna fucking explode from the stress, because I was learning how this shit. I was learning that first of all, blowing accounts is part of this whole thing, and I was just slamming shit left and right. In the beginning, like I was just slinging. I still sling accounts, but I was really slinging accounts in the beginning. This shit. Is this gonna do this to me again? It's gonna fucking just. I'm gonna get barely green, and then it's gonna reject again. Whatever, motherfucker. Look, see the 34s, man. The 34s. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if the VWAP holds. We're back at the bottom orb. The bottom orb is at 52, and that's basically right where we rejected. The bottom orb is at 52. We went up to 51.50 and fucking rejected right off of it. Let me go back to. I had to learn how the NQ moved. I've traded before. I was trading options. I stopped for it. I haven't traded options in a while, but I traded options. Like I was doing some real fucking degen shit with options. But yeah, look, we hit our head on the bottom orb here. Hopefully we could blast through it like tries to fucking the train that makes itself fit in the tunnel it doesn't belong in. Makes the tunnel bleed a little bit, you know, like a Diddy party, like a fast track party. Oh man, those fast track parties are wild. I heard. um, so this is the issue here. We fell below it, like we bounced off of it and then fell below it. VWAP is the saving grace, but can we push back through, get back over the bottom orb into the orb? And if we could get there, I mean, I'll be good because I'm in fucking six right now. Where is so the pivot point? The pivot point is right just above the upper the VWAP band at like 63.50, 64, let's say. Man, if I get to 64, that's 15 points with six of these fucking things. That's like 1,600 bucks. I don't. I'll take some off along the way. Yeah, I'll take one off here. I'll take one off here. Wishful thinking, obviously. Um, take one off here. Maybe I'll take two off here. But yeah, Angus, man, Angus. It took a long time for me to like get a handle on how all this shit works. And I'm not necessarily. I'm still not that great of a trader. There are people, but I get payouts. There are people who are better traders than me. They're much better traders than me, but for whatever reason, they can't get out of their own way in terms of the psychological aspect, of the whole prop firm game. For whatever reason, it's a mind fuck because not only are you up against the market, right? The market is crazy. We're fucking retail traders. You're also up against the rules of all these different prop firms. You know, they all have different rules. You got the drawdown that you're up against. Some of them have trailing, some of them have end of day, but either way, some of them have daily loss limits. There's something. There's always something that we have to keep in the back of our minds while we're also getting fucked around with mentally by the market itself. Coach Eric J. Hot laps. Coach Eric has. Welcome. Fucking funny, man. Yeah, we got an inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, this is the fucking one shoulder. We got to go. I feel like we got to go up higher. That'd be some fucked up. And if this is how your shoulders look, right? If this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your right shoulder, you better go see the fucking chiropractor ASAP. But yeah, it's looking like it's forming. It's almost like a cup and handle. We'll see though. I'm just glad I'm not down fucking $500 or $600 like I was not too long ago. Let's see if we could fucking get over. We need to clear this like resistance area. This is like some sort of resistance area right now for whatever reason. I don't know why it's even like that strong. This is some whack on looking shit. But yeah, Angus, man, is that what you're going through right now? I get trade anxiety, man. I fucking went through a really rough patch not too long ago, like a month ago. It was like a 2 or 3 week long patch where I just kept blowing funded account after funded account after funded account, especially Apex accounts. And then I was putting pressure on myself because of like how the window was, and it just wasn't working out. I was putting pressure on myself to like pass new evals by certain times, and because of their window, and I was just blowing account after account after account, and like you get anxiety from that shit. You get fucking PTSD, and then when like you're finally out of the rut and you're trading good again, you don't take the same risk you normally would have taken, even when you're on your game. I mean, that's what was happening to me, you know, and I still found myself not holding winners long enough. And a lot of it has to do with that fucking stretch I went through. I'm glad I got out of it, man. I've been fucking trading much better since then, but you know, Friday I fell into it. Friday was just awful. I got caught in that fucking. There was this crazy. It was like it wasn't even a huge dump, but it just kept going down and down and down during the overnight. And I was like, and I just kept trying to catch the falling knife, and it was just awful. All I had to do was fucking ride with that shit, and I would have locked in my second and third payout with my funded futures. But instead, I hit the daily loss limit. I still have the accounts, right? They're right here, but they. But now I just had to. It cost me time, because now I have to spend more time to grow them back up if I can do it. I was right fucking there. I had 4 clean days, four days of $100 or more, no losing days, no red days, no fucking blow up days, and then I blew up. So now I have to fucking get all of that back and then some, and then I'll be able to request. All right, we're back at the VWAP. So I guess this fucking area of resistance is holding for now, which makes sense. It's the bottom orb. It's the bottom orb. Look, we couldn't get over the bottom orb. Yeah, pine tree. That's with the eight, and yeah, it was. I recognized it, but I could not control myself. That was, oh my god, fuck, that sucks. So much for the head and shoulders, right? It was a fucked up looking head and shoulders, man. Very misaligned. I guess we wait longer. I hope nobody got in long here. That sucks though. Is it going to come back? What the fuck? Is this some pre-red folder event type of fuckery? That's pretty cool, friend. You. No, I haven't. You should ask it which way you should go. Like, should I go long or short, Chat GPT? Should I long NQ futures? You got to make sure, like, if you're going to ask for that, though, you got to be really specific because it might tell you to go long because of a deeper, like a longer time frame. You got to say, hey, listen, based on what you say, hey, Chat GPT, based on what you're seeing on the 5 minute chart, would you go long or short here, or the 1 minute chart? Would you go long or short? That would be interesting. I'm not saying that's how you should trade and base your decisions on that, but that'd be interesting what it has to say because it will tell you. It will tell you a direction. Quasimodo Head and Shoulders. Yeah, that shit. Coach passing props. That shit was you got the Eric J and Eric K echolalia happening. I love it. Oh man. Coach Det Fives in the building. Yeah. I'm just trapped in this fucking shitty ass trade. You getting the Tesla robot assistant to trade for you? You getting the iRobot to trade for you? Tell me those things didn't look eerily like the fucking robots from iRobot. It's like he's trolling everybody. And then the transport vehicle or whatever the fuck that was, or the Tesla transporter or whatever, it looked exactly like the vehicle that was transporting the iRobots in that movie. I was like, what the fuck is going on? I remember seeing it. I'm like, fuck, man, we're fucked. Yeah, Debt Five. Yeah, at least you came out on top, man. But that's the worst when you got to fucking resort to DCA. I think the D stands for desperation. When you get to a certain point when you're on tilt, there's definitely a place. There's definitely a place for DCAing when you trade, but when we go on tilt, it's basically, oh, I gotta add. I'm gonna add more here. I'm gonna add more here. I'm gonna add more here because it just keeps going against us. Yeah, ChatGPT is cool as long as they don't look like Terminators. Not yet. Not yet. What was the dude's name? The Skynet dude. His name was like Dyson. Let me go to fucking IMDb. And he didn't even Terminator 2. Yeah, Miles Dyson. That was a great fucking movie, man. Terminator 2 was the shit. Terminator 1 was really good too. Terminator 2 was a great fucking movie. This fucking trade sucks. I should have fucking got the fuck out right over here. But I know what would have happened. If I would have got out here, it would have blasted through the bottom orb. But man, I know better. Like that's the type of shit I like to play. Like we got back up to the bottom orb. The reason why I didn't play it was because I had a bias to the upside because I was just down so much. I finally went green and I wanted more gains. So I fucking that's the psychological part that fucks you about trading because you're in a certain trade. Like I should have pivoted and went short and caught this, but it might come back up. I don't know. There's no fucking vine. Look at the way this candle. We had a new candle and look where it opened up. It opened up fucking 2 points lower or a point and a half lower. Yeah, when you get out. But if you would have stayed in, when you get out, like if I would have got out here, I would have kept going. But because I stayed in, I'm being fucking, I'm getting fucked with more. I'm back. We're back down here again. We're back down here again. It seems like this is becoming some area of support for now. I would love for a whack Arnold's W to form here. We got part of the W. Now we're making a new W. We got to maybe this might not be a whack Arnold's W. It might be a George W. We got a George W pattern potentially forming here. Guys, be careful. Yeah, alpha, for real. Yeah, like you have like if you want to scale into a trade, it's great. Or you have the levels already predetermined. Like, all right, if it comes down here, this is a good place to add. But that means you're fucking way down in the trade anyway. It's like, oh fuck, if it comes all the way down there, why not get stopped out? It's easy for me to say, right? But you see me trade, I don't do it. Why not get stopped out for a lesser of a loss and then re-enter down at that next level that you wanted to add? But whatever, it's all part of the fucking fun. It is what it is. Oh, debt five, maybe. A lot of times, what happens to me is I'll make the right trade. It's the right fucking trade, the right thesis, right? Even though I have no thesis, I trade with no thesis. I guess my way into trades and I guess my way out of trades, right? So I've been told. Um, and shit, I need to plug it. My fucking both of my laptops are gonna die. It's the right fucking trade, but at the wrong time. That's what happens to me. That's that's something I notice. Um, the right trade at the wrong time, or because just my entry is either it's because of my entry or it's just the timing. So then I fucking get stopped out a bunch of times. This actually happened to me the other day on Monday in a funded account. All I had to do was just either wait or hold longer and just ride it out. I just kept getting stopped out. Before I knew it, I was down over $1,000 in a funded account. Which, by the way, I finished that. I finished the day with that funded account plus 476. But like, why did I? The path I took to get there was just fucking stupid. It was just awful. It wasn't stress free. Yeah, this shit is fucked. I don't know if this is gonna hold here. Yeah, we're gonna break this shit. We're gonna break this shit and go down, make new fucking low. Yep, fucking knew it. But yeah, let me just ride this whole fucking thing out. I could have got out over here. Whatever. Let's see. What's gold doing? Gold is literally not moving at all. Calvin, I'm like around. I don't even know. I do a lot of times. I do pretty good. I do good during London. I mean, this is just me being fucking lazy. I could have easily fucking got out here and went. I should have got out here and went short. I mean, we rejected off the bottom orb. I mean, look at this rejection off the bottom orb. Yeah, that's the 15. Let's go to the 5 minute. Look, we came back up to it and rejected right the fuck off of it. This is the next area of support. Maybe here, and maybe here. Right at the lower the VWAP band. But like, there's no fucking volume here. So this thing, like, this literally could come all the way back up. I don't know if it will. I don't feel fantastic about this fucking trade. I can tell you that much. Yeah, yeah, that's a big part of it too, Coach Calvin. Yeah, okay, we might get a bounce here, but I don't know. I might just fuck this account. Let me get all my shit trading out of the way with this account. So then, when I'm ready to fucking, trade for real, let me get all this garbage, fucking, all of these bad mistakes out of the way right now on this account. And then I can move on and get back to trading, you know, effectively. And it's on the accounts that matter, like these two funded accounts. But right now, I'm punished. I should have known better. We got to the bottom orb, but because I was in long and I was down so much, and I wanted it to continue up, so I could get taken out of some of those contracts I'm in, I didn't see the writing on the wall and fucking go short. But had I gone short, it would have fucking, yeah, this shit is fucked. What's the daily loss limit on the fucking 100K? 2,400. I'm probably gonna hit that shit. Whatever. It's fine. I won't lose the account, but it sucks. Yeah, I'm just stretching. It's just stretching right now. Doing some stretches. Just warming up. What up, Coach Newts? Be good, friend. I'll see you later. Or is it friend yo? I've probably been saying your name wrong this whole fucking time, man, and I'm sorry. Yeah, I get it, Bowser. But honestly, I really don't even fucking care about the VIX right now. I'm over it. I'm over it. We're just trending down this 9 right here, though. Let's look at the VIX. Let's look at the VIX for Bowser. We'll do it for Bowser. He doesn't want to say it again. This is it right here. Is this it right here? No, this isn't it. This is it. Not Vixie. There it is. Well, that shit really pumped. This shit didn't give a fuck about the orb. But it's interesting. Like, we blew through. This is crazy, too. Like, look, here's the bottom and the top orb. We blew through the bottom orb on this pump right here, rejected off the top orb, came back down to the bottom orb, and then went up another leg. The fucking orb, man. And now we're up at this pivot point. We can't get back. We blew through the pivot point. Can't get back below the pivot point. Yeah, traders each, man. We got a long way down from the election. That's for sure. Long way down. I can see it coming down this far, right below 21,000, coming down to 21,000 and bouncing, or coming down to, I don't need these anymore. Yeah, remove them. Coming down to fucking 20,780, 20,800, somewhere around there maybe. I mean, if it gets past there, it's fucking Imagine if fucking came all the way down this fucking far. That'd be nuts. Don't need this. I don't remember what that was. Probably like an hourly, or probably should do that here. It's a long drop, though. It's a long fucking drop. It's a thin line between fries and shakes, right? So let's see. Let me get the fucking first hour. 1, 2, 3. So here's the bottom orb on the hourly. 1, 2, 3. Here's the bottom orb on the hourly. So the first hour, the low of the first hour of the market reopening is that dashed line, which is 21,143. What up, Zayback? Coach Zayback is here, guys. The lean is fucking. Oh man, those other guys made the show too. It wasn't just Dave. Those guys were fucking Donnell. Wasn't Dave? Donnell Rawlings, obviously Charlie Murphy, the fucking robot guy. Oh yeah, Bowser. It is. Yeah, exactly. It can bounce whenever. It certainly can. It's trying to here, but I don't know if it will. I'm not even that far down. It's not even that far down from my entry, but it's a long way with this fucking shit volume. And I don't want to stay up till 5 o'clock waiting for this to fucking come back. Although I got myself a good 2.5 hours of sleep. But it's already almost 4 o'clock for me. I would have to put fucking stops in and just ride the shit out. Yeah, Bill Burr. Yeah, he's funny, man. He's funny. Yeah, this shit's gonna go lower. Gross. This is fucking gross. Whatever. It's one account. It's an account that I'm okay with what's happening to it. At least it's not one of my Apex accounts. Speaking of Apex, let's see. Am I still fucking under review for these two payouts? Yes. Marcy, son. Marcy, son. Oh man. Getting paid, getting paid. You're a doctor? Fucking right, I'm a doctor. That guy was the best too. Let me holla at you. Holla, holla, holla. Holla, 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 holla. Fucking great. Fucking iconic shit, man. Apex is still doing 80% off, by the way, guys. 80% off, $85 lifetime PA fee still in play. $35 resets. Here's my link. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Take Profit Traders doing 40% off any size test account and then $0 activation fee. It's free if and when you pass for as long as you have these accounts that you get during this promotion period. TPT 40% off, $0 activation fee. I don't know when that's going away, but probably they might keep that shit going through fucking Black Friday. My funded futures, 15% off milestone 25Ks, and then 10% off the 50, 100, and 150s. Using code ZERODAYJ, best code ZERODAYJ for Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, and Trade Day. I'm kind of fucking pissed off at them though. I still don't. I paid for my funded account, but they want me to fucking get. If I knew I had to get the Rise account, if I knew that they were going to make me use the same email for Rise because everything has to be linked together, is what they said to me, I would have fucking created my account with my Rise email address. But I didn't. I created it with like my main email address. My Rise is using my other email address. And now I can't use that fucking. I have to get another Rise account set up. It's so fucking stupid. It's so fucking stupid. It's kind of annoying. Bo Vosh, what up, man? Nice, bro. Great job. Great job. Trade day eval revealed and you forgot about it. Hopefully it was at 50%, Alfred. Trade day's doing 20% off right now. Yeah, you might as well, dude. Yeah, so like I was like talking, like Travis was hanging out on the stream, and he said the same thing happened to him, and he just created another account. But you can't have two accounts with the same entity. So like if I had my company, like my Rise account is linked to my company, like I use my, my company, right? If I create another Rise account, I'm gonna have to do it with my personal. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to. I wanted to just use the Rise account that's established. Now I gotta fucking jump through hoops again. I gotta get fucking verified again. It's so annoying. Yeah, all right, Alfred. Yeah, that's not bad. That ain't bad. So fucking annoyed about that. Because I could be trading the account. Let me look at the chart. Let me hit refresh one more time, and then we go back to the charts. Because I'm not even paying attention to this trade I'm in. Oh, it just keeps getting lower and lower and lower. All right, now. Oh, wrong. Later faders. Fuck, I missed it. Didn't really miss much. Probably. Let's see if we can get filled and we bounce back up off of this area of support right here. Maybe. I have to get filled first. Yeah, what up, Benny? Maybe. May get a bounce, or we may just drop another whole fucking leg. Maybe I shouldn't trade these my funded futures funded accounts that I'm trying to get into a trade with. I can see it's going back up to the VWAP here. Do I chase? Oh, I don't want to chase. I don't want to chase. I don't want to chase. I'm going to chase. Fuck. I get fucking. Oh, I fell for it. I fall for it all the fucking time, man. Watch, it's going to go back down to my original entry, which was my original fucking order, which was down here. And then that's where so fucking stupid. I fell for it. I fell for it. Every fucking time. I'm going to come. Do not come back down. The order was originally down here. So I'd be up 3 points right now. Instead I'm right at break even. Fucking annoying. Fuck it. Let's see if we can get back up to the VWAP. If I could get back up to the VWAP, I'll take. That might be too much, though. I don't even need that much. I don't want to, I don't want to run into consistency rule issues. They have a 40% consistency rule on the starter account. Are we going to reject off the 5 minute 20, the 1 minute 21 because we finally broke the trend? That happens a lot too. See that? Is this going to hold up and fucking take us back down even lower? So like if you're trending down, a lot of times this will happen. We'll break the trend on the 9 EMA and then fucking reject off the 1 minute 21, which is right at. It's always riding right along it, and that's what happened here. Now I'm back down. This could fucking drop. This could go down a bunch. We could just go back down to keep trending again. Trending down some more. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Maybe not. Oh shit. Keep going. Stay over that shit. Stay over. I need more water. I'll be right back, guys. Let me know what happens. I'm going to go get more water. Could have had 4 points. I went to P too. So glad I did that. Fucking motherfucker. Whatever. Well, it's not whatever. Just, 70, $80 would have been good for the funded account. What up, Coach A plus? Alfred, I hate slow periods. Want those to get over with quick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, trust it. Fuck, man. Oh, we got a new hour incoming. Another hour already. Fuck. Yeah, hopefully. Let's all smoke some hopium, guys. It's not looking like it's going back up to the VWAP. Looks like it wants to fucking drop a fuck ton. Well, that sucks. I went to the bathroom hoping it would just keep going up, and it fucking rejected right here. Basically, right before this. I don't know. I guess that's fucking resistance. Yeah, Coach HID. Yup. I know, man. I know. I need to get fucking sleep too. Yeah, I would have to go to sleep like I would have to go to sleep at like 9, 10 o'clock. I would have to go to sleep when my wife goes to sleep and wake up for that shit. Gross. Fucking gross. I had what, 80 bucks? I mean, honestly, my fill, if I would have had this fill right here, if I would have just left my original order here, like right around here, I would have gotten what, 9, 7 points, 8, 6.5 points. I get up to go to the bathroom because it looks like I'm back green. I literally went to get water and I went to use the bathroom, took a piss, and this is what I get. Oh, I hit the daily loss limit on this thing. Oh well. Uh, Whoops. But now we're gonna fucking bounce. Oh, what a shitty fill. This is my 100K take profit trader account. It's a test account. Nice, Bowser. See you later, bro. Good job. Man, I'm starting to feel like I should have stayed sleeping on the couch. Just ain't right. Coach Just Ain't Right is here. Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. There we went. New hour. Nice, Alfred. Great job. I feel like I've been just dragging these fucking accounts along. Although this one, I got this one to 4,200 on Friday, and then I fucking wrecked it. Almost hit the daily loss limit. I was up $1,200 on this on Friday. That was the most fucked up part about that whole situation. I can't get used to having coach in front of my name. Fuck. Yeah, it's just this is not good. This makes this chase entry look even worse. I probably would have locked in. I would have locked in gains at 5 or 6 points. Well, I got to take a piss because I was hoping it would go further. This is fucked. This is absolutely fucked. Holy shit. I'm gonna have so much work to do when I wake up. Jesus. What the fuck is going on? Let me put a fucking stop down here. Am I gonna get taken out of one? Oh man. I'll lock the rest in. That's funny. 34s here. Is it going to reject off the 34s, or are we just going to keep not giving? Is it just not going to give a fuck about anything now? Yeah, it just doesn't give a fuck. Huh, these are fucking green again. I'm not going to let that shit fucking dump on me again. Oh my god, don't do this. Yeah, look, it's going to take me out here. I still think it's going to go up. The fucking Viagra, yeah, for real. What the fuck is this? I'm happy with it though. I'm not complaining. Oh, Tickle, Coach Tickle, man. You literally got bottom tick there. You finally were like, fuck it, I'll put my stop here so it doesn't fucking keep going down on me and I don't get completely fucked, right? And then it fucking bounces. I was almost getting ready to put a stop down here. I was. Give me the fucking VWAP, yo. It needs to clear the bottom orb. We're at the bottom orb again. We're at the bottom orb. See? Here's the bottom orb. Actually, no, we're not at the bottom orb is here. 52. We're at the fucking bottom. This is the hourly bottom orb. Right here is the hourly, the first hour. Come on. Of course, I had to get stopped out of the other account. I got stopped out of the other account, the 100K. Let me see where I got stopped out of the 100K. This is funny. What number was that? 24? Look. Look. I mean, it did drop a bunch more, but look where it is now. I think my average entry was like right around here. No, I think my average entry was at the bottom. My average entry was right here. Right at the bottom orb. But it was like, halfway back, I'd say. Whatever. I still have the account. It just sucks. I didn't even want it. I didn't even want this account. That's the fucked up part. That's what annoys me about that shit. Get the fuck back up there. Keep going. But hey, the accounts that matter, these two funded accounts are what really matters, and they're fucking green. And I'm about to get taken out. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm out of something in the other one. Oh, come on. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. I don't think I would have gotten filled there anyway. I got what? Oh fuck, I had that wrong. I'm in short. I'm out. All right, so look. Oh wow. Oh, 500, 500, 560. This one, I think we're gonna bounce here. I hope we bounce here. What a fucking drop. We rejected right off the 5-minute 21, right below the VWAP. I moved this. I don't think it was in the. I don't think I would have hit it. I think it was like right. I wouldn't have gotten filled where I had it originally. I wouldn't have gotten filled. I wish I moved my stop up some more though. But look, it couldn't. It rejected off basically off the VWAP. But these accounts are looking good. These are looking great actually. Nice work, right? I almost got so on. No, don't fucking keep dropping. Fuck me. What an idiot. I guess this wasn't support. Gross. Fucking gross. I gave it all back. So fucking stupid. What did I get taken out here at 38? It went up to fucking 43 and rejected fucking like a G right here. And I fucking wanted to get in for more because I'm greedy after a great trade. And this is what I get. This is what you get when you want to fucking be greedy. Maria Rodriguez. Yeah, on these. That's the most I can trade until I get to 1,000, and I could trade 2,000. They have the starter accounts have a scaling plan. Well, we have a higher low here. That's cool, but I don't know. Doesn't mean it's not going to fucking come back down all the way down this far. I should have just. Oh my god! I wanted to raise my stop, and like by the time I had a chance, by the time I even thought about raising my stop, it fucking came back down and hit my. It hit my stop. I wanted to raise it up a couple of more points. It fucking sucks. That blows. This price action is pretty fucking crazy. Like this out of nowhere, we fucking bounced 30 fucking points. And now we're going to come back all the way back down. Is that what's going to happen here? The spread is still shitty. The spread is 2 to 4 ticks. Got your first fund in my funded futures account today. Awesome. What is it, a starter account? You can't go GTA. You can't go lower than 50,100. I think you're asking about a starter account. Yeah, great job, JX. Fuck yeah. Coach JX is here. Coach GTA is here. Yeah, starter 50K. Yep. 50,100 is the number you can't go below once you request that payout. So, I mean, the way those accounts are designed, unless you're growing the account, unless you're getting big gains, right? You getting yourself to $2,000 and or beyond or whatever. These accounts are meant to basically be fucking, wrecked after you one and done basically. Because that's how my last payout was. My only payout with them, it was one and done. So just don't just if that's where if that's how you want to play it, where you get your you get your 5 days in, you're up 800, $900, and you want to take it. Just don't fucking put too much pressure on yourself to build it back up. Just deplete it, get your money, and buy more accounts. You know what I mean? It'd be funny if this shit goes all the way back up. I'm not gonna make that. I don't know if it's going to though. I don't know. This shit starting to fucking move crazy. I would like to get out of this trade for more gains and then go to sleep, and sooner rather than later, but we'll see. It's definitely a mistake of a fucking trade. Not a mistake, like I didn't like accidentally get in the trade, just a mistake to get back in there. We rejected hard off the 5-minute 21 right here, right off of it. I thought we were gonna at least go back. Where let me see something. That's 43.50. Watch this. Hold on. Look, the bottom hourly orb is at 43. Look at this. Can you see that on the chart? Look at this candle. I mean, it was basically the VWAP too, but this is the bottom hourly orb. Oh, this fucking blows. Fuck me. I can't believe I let myself do that. It was a great trade. The trade worked out. I got 120 bucks. I was actually up like 138. I was up like around 200 bucks in that trade max. I should have just been happy with that and gone to sleep. Maybe I'll get blessed again with a fucking bounce. I don't know though. You only get so many of those. While we're waiting for that to happen, let's see if Apex is approving or denying fucking my payout request. Nope, still under review. These accounts are looking fucking fantastic. I almost have full redemption. I lost 2,135 bucks on this account on Friday after being up 1,200 bucks, and I've gotten like $1,600+ back since that happened on Friday. So that's fucking great. These accounts are looking really good. Oh, hey, thank you. I'll take. Come on, keep going, keep going. Come on, pump that shit. Get the fuck up there. Take me out, you fuck. Keep going. Oh my God, why? Come on. What the fuck? This shit's moving around a lot. But I was up 3.5 points. And I didn't take it. Don't come back down here. Do not come back down. No fucking way. Get the fuck back up there. Come on. Just take me out at 41.25. Please. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. It fucking sucks, V33, man. Sorry that happened. You know what's crazy? I don't know where the account was at. Yeah, at least you got one payout. You know what's tough about those accounts now is because of the fucking buffer. You got to grow that account a fuck ton. You know, it's not just 6,600 anymore. You got to go 6,600 plus if you want to get 3,000 on that. You got to go to what, 6,100 or 9,100 to get 3,000 because you could request $500 into your buffer. That's a lot. You have to grow that shit a fuck ton now. You know, 6,600 it was a monumental task in and of itself. Now you got to grow that shit to 9,100 to get 3,000. I don't even know. You'll have a lot of drawdown, a ton of drawdown, but man, I don't even know if they're worth having anymore with the new fucking rules. What up, Vinny Cuz? Yeah, I'm hoping for the bedtime candle. Det 5. I want that bedtime candle, man. Come on. Just give it to me. It wants to. You know you want to give it to me right here. Boom. Boom. I gotta make the sound effect, to make it like, let's go. Oh yeah, give it to me. I'm gonna come. Do not come. I'm gonna come. Oh man. Come on, give it. Come on. It's just 3 points. It's not even 3 points. Come on. For the stream. Oh my God. Just fucking do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my God. Fuck it. Hit it. Hit it. Don't be a fucking bitch. Come on. Oh my God. Hey. Hey. Coach Bacon, what up? Franny, yes, I have traded options. That's where the name ZERODAYJAY came from. I used to do a lot of 0 day fucking 0 days till expiration fucking options trading. Not the smartest thing to do. Coach Corey Ratcliffe is in the building. There we go. There we go. Fuck yeah. We're gonna go back up to the bottom more. I don't know. I have a feeling we're gonna blow through all this shit. Maybe we reject all the VWAP, but hey, my work is finished here. I don't need to trade this account anymore. I'm good. I mean, these accounts. I'm not going to, but I could actually request on this account if I wanted to. I'm not going to though. The fucked up part about these two accounts, like let me zoom in a little bit on this. So check this account. Check this shit out. Hold on, let me move this over so you guys can see it. So on Friday, yeah, Franny, options is my origin story for real. On Friday, these were literally $100 away from getting to a payout, and I've been copy trading them, right? You saw me copy trading them here. They're in a group. They were being copy traded the entire time. The numbers were identical. They were identical, And when I got caught in that fucking drop, oh, there we go. There's the VWAP. When I got caught in that drop, um, oh fuck, it's going up. It's going. Oh my god, this account. Fuck me, man. Look, it's coming. Oh, look. Here is my entry right here. This is my entry for this account that I hit the daily loss limit on because I was in too heavy. It always does. It always happens that way. But here's my entry. It's literally going to go back to my entry. I would have been break even. It's probably going to go beyond it. We're going to get to the bottom orb, blow through the bottom orb, go to the top orb. I just see it coming. That's fucking annoying. But anyway, so these have been the same the whole time. There it is. There was break even. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. That's what happens. That's what happens when you over leverage yourself into trades. Shit like that happens where you get taken out, it hits your daily loss limit, or you fucking draw down, gets wiped out completely, and then it goes the other way, and then you find yourself looking at this fucking chart, and you're like, oh my god, it came all the way back to where my fucking original entry was, my average entry. There it is. Damn. See? I'd be green right now. I'd be fucking green. I'd be green. So these were trading identical, and then that drop happened on Friday. And I hit, for whatever reason, this one took me out. I got taken out like for a daily loss limit, a breach, $200 early, and then this one finally hit the 1200, and I got taken out. So that's why they're $200 apart, 205, $205 apart, and I don't know why that happened, but now it sucks because I've been working them together, and if I could get these to a payout, if I could get these to a number where I'm willing to take a payout, I'm only going to request on one, or I'm going to have to trade this one more because I want to get them to about the same. Yeah, V33. Yeah, that's still you already have the account, right? So it's a great account to have. The 250K. I can't believe that fucking happened, man. Unbelievable. We just went into the orb. Well, actually, hold on. The bottom orb is at, look, we rejected off the bottom orb again so far. The bottom orb is at 52, 53. Here's the bottom orb. Look at that. 53-ish. Are we going to blow through it? What a fucking bounce. Is it the bedtime candle, or am I going to fucking trade some more? I don't want to trade anymore. I really don't. But look, this is the most. I hate when this fucking happens. Watch this. Look, my average order was right here at 49, and now it's up. It went up 5 points. It's gonna keep going. Look, I got fucking taken out of everything here because we dropped, and I stayed in. I didn't fucking set it. I didn't, have a stop or anything. And then look, it fucking dropped a little bit lower. It dropped another like 10 points, and then fucking popped. And my average fill was right here at this area right here. Awful. It happens though. It happens. What's more important is I got these accounts up $245. But damn, look, this shit went up another 10 points. I don't want to grow. I don't want to go up too much on these accounts anyway because of the consistency rule. Yeah. Yeah, futures, yeah, it's definitely an adjustment though. That's cool, Coach HID. Yeah, you would trade another. Yeah, Tesla moved the every day. Tesla. I remember when I was trading options, like Tesla would move a fuck. It probably still does. It would move the what do they call that? The average true range or whatever, or the average daily range or whatever, ATR or the ADR or whatever. It was a big range every single day. It moved a lot, so you could fucking trade Tesla intraday, in both directions, and fucking bank. Yeah, ATR. Yep, average true range. Yeah, people would, that's an indicator. You can actually put that indicator on. Doesn't really apply. I mean, you can put it on there for the NQ, but It's better for like stocks. What up, Coach Dilson? So that shit with J Money, Coach J. Yo, J Money, look, I finally reset that Top Step account, bro. I got it up $211. Inflation data released in 65 minutes. Yeah. I will not be awake for that. I will not be awake. We did it for the stream, Benny. That's right, Coach Benny. It just ain't right. I didn't even see that. NQ edging me. Yeah, NQ is edging me, all right. Oh my god. You guys are fucking funny. Oh yeah, this shit's gonna keep going. We're back. We're in the orb. Now we're in the orb. Watch this. Fuck it. Let's see. Am I gonna regret this? You know what? I gotta go to bed, guys. I can't get trapped in another trade. Right? This shit's gonna keep going though. We're in the orb now. Look, we're in the orb. I bet it fucking goes up to fucking 80 something. Or maybe it'll stall here at the pivot point. But man, what a fucking move. It's not even that many points. It's 50 points, but this is so frustrating. I'd be up 5 points with six fucking contracts on this 100K. What is that? 600 bucks. I'd be up 600 bucks. I mean, I still have the account, but whatever. It's so fucking stupid. That's what I get for fucking DCAing out my fucking face. Yeah, the inner degen. The inner degen wants more, but I really gotta fucking. I'm up later than I want to be. I gotta sleep. I'm gonna get fucking 3.5, 4 hours of sleep after sleeping on the couch for 2.5 hours. Not even. It was like a little more than 2 hours. What up, True Trading Timmy? True Trading Coach Timmy. Timmy. Look, I would have gotten filled right there. And I'd probably be, what did I cancel? I canceled 152.50. I'd be down. See? I'm glad I canceled that shit. It might bounce, but it might be one of those long fucking trades like I just had in my funded futures account. Like I was in this trade for a while. I was in this trade for a while, and I was in this trade for a while. Yeah, it's just power naps. Yeah. Zero sleep J. Barely any sleep J. But that was cool. This sucks. Whatever it happens, I still have the account. This is great. Let me make sure I don't have any open fucking orders. This is the later faders group. I am annoyed though because of what happened on Friday that they're $200 apart. That does piss me off. It really grinds my gears. So I almost feel like I need to fucking grow this one by another 200 bucks by itself, so they're the same. And that's where I could get into trouble. I could technically request a payout on this one, but I don't want to. I want more than 400 bucks. Well, did some good work tonight. This was unfortunate. Oh, excuse me. This was unfortunate. This is great. This I did before the stream. This is great. I'm gonna grow this more probably. But when I wake up, I gotta work on my Apex accounts. At least 6 of them. I'm not gonna touch the 2 I'm waiting on payouts to be approved. This is great. I did this. I did this one during the stream. 560 on this Take Profit Trader account. The Trading with Travis account. This is almost halfway there. These are dragging along, but they're growing. But yeah, during the day, my priority is going to be these Apex. Every funded Apex account except for 109 and 110. These two I'm waiting on payouts. To be approved, or either way, whatever. I'm just waiting on a decision, and then these 6, I want to grow. This one's almost. I don't know. With Apex is the way they fucking analyze how you trade now. Like this account, although I'm right there, but I can request another. I'll be able to request another 500 very soon. You know, this one definitely would not pass the sniff test because of how I traded it. Definitely had some interesting fucking trading days with this account, but look where it is. That's why I don't care about the 30% rule. I don't fucking care. If I abided by their bullshit 30% rule, I probably wouldn't be up $2,248 in that account. You know what I mean? So whatever. It might cost me a payout request, and I'll have to keep growing the account, but the account's fucking in great shape. It's in great fucking shape. I got a ton of drawdown on it, right? I got almost all of my drawdown. I have $2,473 of drawdown. So all of these accounts are looking great. Look at all that drawdown I have. These two obviously have more drawdown because they're over the buffer, but these all have a lot of fucking drawdown. They're in great shape. Shit. Good thing I didn't fucking let that trade happen. 46. You see that? My fucking order was at 52.50. Look at that. Fucking dumped. So glad I fucking canceled that shit. Anyway. Anywho. V33. No, I've gambled. I've gambled my fair share. Look how many fucking evals I've had. I still look at all these evals I have because of fucking rebuilds and shit. I've gambled my fair share of fucking V33. I've gambled so many fucking evals, especially during the stream. I've done a lot. I've done it for the stream so many times. What up, Twister? Oh, Twister, if you're still here, man, yeah, I could fucking go to sleep a loser if that's what you're asking. Yeah, like I could. Yeah, great song, William Chapman. What up, Coach William Chapman? I could do it. Like everything's looking great except for like I have to go to sleep knowing that I hit the daily loss limit on this, but I do have solace in the fact that my funded accounts are up 245. I'm done for the day with those. I don't have to worry about them anymore. This Top Step account is up a couple $100. These Take Profit Trader accounts are all up. I could be done for the day with these. Like I'm gonna focus on these funded accounts. Yeah, I've done it before. Like on fucking, I don't know though, because on Friday, Thursday going into Friday, the overnight on Thursday going into Friday, I fucking almost hit the daily loss limit on all three of these. I hit the daily loss limit on these two being I only needed I was on my last $100 day that I needed to get a payout without having any bad days. And then after I hit the daily loss limit on these, I hit the daily loss limit on these two. I came in and almost fucking destroyed these, lost these forever almost. And then after that, I went and started trading my Apex accounts and got a couple of my Apex accounts in good shape for the day. So yeah, I couldn't go to sleep like that. But I've done it before. It just sucks because then the worst is like Twister, bro. The worst, the worst is when it's the last day, like it's Friday, like it's Friday, it's the New York session, and you have a fucking really bad day on that during that session. You have a bad New York session on a Friday, and you couldn't get out of your own way. You might have blown some accounts, or you just read everywhere, and then you have to go into the weekend with that shit. That's the fucking worst because you can't trade Saturday. I mean, yeah, you could trade crypto, you could fucking go into Dex tools and fuck around with shit coins, but or well, now crypto's pumping, but that's the worst when you have a rough Friday New York session or even a London session, like because you guys aren't, or the European session, you guys that are not in the States, right? You might not trade later. Your schedule might not permit you to. I mean, the time, like it's actually you guys get to trade. You guys have the best of both worlds. You could trade New York and it's not too late. Like it's fucking 4:30 in the morning for me right now. I'm in Vegas. I'm on the West Coast. Um, but if you guys only trade like the London session, right, or the European session, and you don't trade New York and you fucking have a rough day, you got to wait all the way until fucking Sunday. So those are the worst, whether it's New York or London or whatever, right? You have to wait until fucking Sunday when it happens on Friday. That's the worst. So I was able to do what's crazy about that day on Friday, Thursday into Friday, I fucked all those accounts up, but then all of my Apex accounts were green that day. They were all of my funded Apex accounts were green. Like I fucking made, you know, I turned lemons into lemonade that day. Yeah, Alfred, because yeah, you want to fucking facts, bro, because then you want to make it up. Like, all right, Friday happened. All right, now I got to fucking get all of back all those losses. I could have done the same thing with like these take profit trader accounts. I still haven't gotten everything back that I lost on Friday, but they're growing. They've been. I don't think I traded these every day. I didn't trade these on Monday, but yesterday I traded these. Got some gains. Had a decent day with those. Today they're up 500. The trading with Travis account, I lost 2,135 or some shit like that. I came $65 away from hitting the daily loss limit. And this account was as high as 4,200 overall. So, but that was after being up 1,200 that day. But I lost 2,135. I've gotten like 1,600 of it back. So like I didn't exact. I could have fell into that trap, Alfred, and like revenge traded the fuck out of these accounts. But that might have fucking cost me the accounts. So I don't know. That's part of my maturity. Like I'm definitely maturing as a trader. But I have my moments. I definitely have my moments. I've had a lot of moments, but like my goal, I've been saying this for months, is my goal is to spread up, have those bad moments, the days I have rough fucking days and I can't get out of my way and I go on tilt and I do dumb shit and I don't have control of my emotions. Like I'm trying to spread those occurrences out as far apart as possible. You know what I mean? And it's getting better. You know? Yeah, trade. Yeah, trade for freedom. It does fucking linger. What up, Coach Varma? Coach Tech Reviews is here. Did I get those paths from Apex yet? No. Still fucking under review. Nothing new. Nothing new. I'm used to it. Like this was under review for fucking 6 days, 5 or 6 days. This one was under review for 8 fucking days. Motherfucker, yo, Apex. Motherfucker's like, yo, Jay, I got approved in 10 minutes. I got approved in a half hour. I got approved in an hour. I got approved in a day. I'm fucking sitting here for fucking 8 days waiting for this shit to get approved. I was like, what the fuck? Everybody else is getting approved. Non-streamers, non-YouTubers, right? People say the only reason I get approved is because I'm a YouTuber. You know, someone was saying that to me in the Discord. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to hang out with the DCA gang, with the DGen fam, you guys want to hang out in the best Discord on the prop firm streets, according to the prop firm streets. I don't know if it's the best, but it's really good in there. For the most part, it's super fucking chill. Um, Here's the Discord link. You guys can join. It's free. Yo, Jay, I got approved in 10 seconds, yo. That actually happened to me pretty much with my fund of futures on my first payout. Yeah, feel free to join that, guys. It's free. It's free, and it's usually very active. Yo, Coach Sammy Roger, he got approved. He was thinking about requesting, and he got approved before he could even push the button. They were like, "Here you go, pal." That's how my fucking prop firm, Apex Fader Funding, is going to be. I got 3 prop firms in opening: Apex Fader Funding, RugPullTrading.com, and FuckThemTraders.com. I'm launching 3 prop firms. You guys can have 500 accounts in each prop firm. You don't even have to request a pad. I'm just going to send you money. Yeah, yo, trade for freedom, man. Thanks, bro. Oh, HID, I didn't even see you bounce. Be good, bro. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Alfred, they pay fast as fuck. Yeah, fast jack trader. Yeah. Fast rug pull. Yeah, Alfred, they pay fast as fuck, man. Pine Tree said, I remember he was like giving us the play by play. He's like, all right, guys, I requested in my fund of futures in the Discord. And then 19 minutes later, he got approved. And then, like, what, an hour or two later, 2 or 3 hours later, the money hit his fucking account. I was like, holy shit. See, I requested at night, so I had to wait till the next morning to get my money. But I got approved. Like, I was making my video, my watch me request my first ever payout with my From the Futures video. And while I was making the video, I hit the fucking button. And then, like, 5 or 10 seconds later, I fucking refreshed and the shit was approved. I was like, holy fuck. And here I am sitting here with Apex with my dick in my hand, just waiting and waiting, breathing and relaxing. They said they were going to do lightning fast approvals with the new fucking, the new fucking, the new form under the new format. And here I am still waiting. I requested, I mean, it's only been 24 hours, but yo, approve me, deny me, let me fucking get on with my life and continue trading the accounts. What I think is going to happen, I think if I'm going to get it, I have a feeling just because of what I'm hearing, feedback I've been hearing about how they analyze your trading now or whatever, the automated analyzing of the trading. I have a feeling one of these is going to get denied, and I think 109 is going to get approved, and 110 might get denied, but we'll see. As far as I'm concerned, they better approve both. I fucking earned the payout, you know. So we'll see. Wouldn't be the first time I got denied here, but yeah, we'll see what happens. We shall see. What's this fucking thing? Damn, we came all the way back down. Joe, see, I fucking canceled that. I fucking just had a feeling, man. I canceled that fucking order. That shit, I would have 52.50. We're down. We dropped fucking 20 points. Thank God, man. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. Let me just make sure I close all this shit out. You got to grab any Apex accounts, take proper trader accounts, my Fund the Future accounts. Use the best coupon code in the world, according to the prop firm streets, ZERODAYJAY. I would appreciate it. If not, no big deal. The fact that you guys are hanging out is support enough. I really appreciate you guys for hanging out, for sure. It's better than trading alone, right? We all get to hang out together. The vibes are super chill on the stream for the most part, unless some fucking jerk-offs come on, but they get dealt with. I don't like to always block them, but I will tell them to go fuck themselves. That's for sure. But I didn't have to do that the last couple of days. It's great. Let's hit refresh one more fucking time. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders on these. Right? That's the worst, right? When you fucking forget you have an open order, you go to sleep, you wake up, and the account's gone because it got filled. It always gets filled when you're sleeping. And I don't have anything in here. I didn't do anything in here. But just for good measure. You never know if there's a phantom order coming in. You know, Darrell wants to fuck with my accounts. So this is what's going to be my focus when I wake up. Working every fucking PA except for 109 and 110. I have 8 of them. I'll be working with 6 of them because these 2 I'm still waiting on my payouts to be. Maybe I'll wake up and these will be approved. That'd be fucking amazing. Maybe I'll wake up and these will be approved. It's better than trading alone. Yeah. I'm telling you, man. What up, Wilco? Rug Pull Trading. Rugpulltrading.com. I only accept PZ Coin and Coles Cash. Trevor LeConte, I'm so glad I stayed on long enough to see you fucking tell everybody to smash the like button on their way out. P Shenanigan, what up? Yeah, hell yeah, P. Because I actually lost a funded account I always do that. And one fucking day, the one day I didn't do it, I woke up and I blew a funded account. That was like a month ago. It was either like the end of September or beginning of October. I woke up and one of my fucking funded accounts that were in decent shape, you know, they were up a decent amount, maybe over 1,000, fucking gone. But anyway, guys, tech reviews, yes, sir. Coach Tech. Oh, man. Oh, nice. Trade for freedom. That's awesome, bro. I really appreciate it. 20 accounts. I'm sure they're going to do a 90% sale. I also think that they're going to roll out What up, Coach Investors? Coach Trevor LeConte's here. Trade for freedom. I feel like because they were talking about they're going to come out with a straight to funded option. I have a feeling they might roll that out for fucking Black Friday, and then do 90% off of that shit. Can you imagine? Yes, be shenanigans. Same to you, my man. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. Oh yeah, Debt 5. Yeah, TPT, fucking great. I can't wait to get a fucking payout from Take Profit Trader. It's gonna be fucking glorious. It will happen. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. I'll be back on for Power Hour, 2 and through close. We'll finish the day strong. If you guys want to hang out, I'll be there. Come look for me. Subscribe to the channel on your way out. Smash the like button on your way out. Have a good fucking red folder CPI day. Be careful. It's about to fucking get crazy for a little bit, but that's also good. So anyway, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Peace. Thanks again, guys.